Aamras during summers is a match made in heaven. So let's whip up this golden lip-smacking summer delight that's pure joy on a plate. Start by chopping juicy ripe mangoes into chunks. Toss them into a blender with cardamom, dry ginger powder, and a little sugar to enhance the natural sweetness. Blend until the mixture is smooth and silky. The glossy aamras is ready and tempting, but hold on, the puris are just as important. Knead a soft dough using wheat flour and water. Roll out small rounds and fry them in hot oil until they puff up and turn golden brown. It takes a little time, but trust the process. Now for the final act, pour the luscious aamras into a bowl. Top it with a few strands of saffron for that richness and aroma, and plate it up with those hot puffed up puris. Dip, scoop, bite. This is summer on a plate, and every bite is pure nostalgia.